Is instant oatmeal worth it and is it healthy? So we have 120 calories, 8 grams of sugar per packet, and you're not gonna only eat one. Here's a protein marketed one, only a couple grams more protein and still 5 grams of sugar. And there's a lightly sweetened one, 4 grams of sugar, 3 grams of protein, 110 calories. Expensive too. But here you get the plain one, 0 grams of sugar, 4 grams of protein. So that protein one was clearly a waste of money. So it's just better to buy the real thing and add your own protein powder, allulose, stevia, monk fruit, whatever sweetener, and you're gonna save money in the process because we know and no one's eating just one packet, and now you can have more than one packet.